Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, in a look at some satellite imagery across the Caribbean, we can see that we still have the frontal boundary north of the area. There are still clouds affecting sections of the northern portion of the basin. We do have isolated clouds across sections of Hispaniola, also across Puerto Rico. As we move further towards the southwest, we do also have some clouds streaming through the general area. There's a weak trough system helping to generate this area of clouds. Now, the forecast for tonight, we are expecting it to be partly cloudy across most of the area. There are some clouds expected with some shower activity also likely across sections of the northeast. Temperatures are dropping to about 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect winds from the north on the south coast and from the southeast on the north. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we are expecting conditions to linger with some shower activity across sections of the east. Then for the afternoon, look for more of the showers and thunderstorms across central and western patches. 33 degrees Celsius, that's the temperature we're expecting in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has clouds, showers and thunderstorms right across Morant Bay through to Portmore, also in Spanish Town, Maple and Mandeville. In the southwest, expect showers and thunderstorms in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. Also in the northwest, in Lucy, in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Across inland areas, we do also have shower and thunderstorm activity in the forecast, particularly across Duncans, Cave Valley, Richmond and Moortown, but we do have some showers further west in Grange Hill and also in Christian. Now, the next few days has scattered showers and thunderstorms across the area. That's on Friday. On Saturday, most of our activity is likely to be across central and western parishes. And then on Sunday, most of the island is likely to be under the influence of clouds, showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. For the marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are expected on the north coast tomorrow. The winds are between 10 and 15 knots. The wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, the winds are variable, averaging about 5 knots. Very weak winds across the area. The wave heights are about 0.5 meter. And then for offshore areas, the winds are out of the east-northeast at 10 knots, with wave heights reaching 1 meter. Now, the variable windy conditions are expected this weekend. That's wind speeds between 5 and 10 knots, with wave heights getting up to about 1 meter on Saturday and Sunday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Well, we thank you so much for watching.